Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the main comparison between the complete dominancy, incomplete dominancy, codominancy. Now come to the complete dominancy. Complete dominance means this complete dominance according to the Mendel, F1 hybrid is showing the dominant character. See here, these are the parents according to the Mendel. Complete dominancy, this statement is given by the Gregor John Mendel's. F1 hybrid. See here, for example, if you are crossing the tall, dwarf, and here they are the parents, and here these are the gametes. They are giving the gametes. So capital is this one is the dominant character, this one is the recessive character, this one is the dominant character, this one is the recessive character. So when dominant character is crossed with the recessive character, according to the Mendel rules, then F1 is showing the dominant character. This one is called as the tall. That means dominant character is expressed. So that's why he is called as this one is the law of dominancy. So law of dominance. So that means F1 always, according to him, he said F1 is always showing the completely dominant character. That's why he proposed the first law, that is the law of dominancy. But what I am going to tell, this one is okay, complete dominance is okay. This is applicable to the according to the Mendel. It will applicable according to the Mendel. But here incomplete dominancy, see 5.221 as per NCERT textbook, incomplete dominancy. See, incomplete dominancy means that means F1 is not expressing the dominant character. So example for this incomplete dominancy, see here, I will explain the incomplete dominancy. See here, when red flowers are crossed with the white flowers, red flowers are crossed with the white flowers in Antirrhinum majus, is also called as the snapdragon or dog flowers. So Palmolian puppy is there, or dog is there, Palmolian puppy dog, like that these flowers are appearing. So when you are seeing from the long distance, so that's why these flowers are also called as the dog flowers. So this one is the Antirrhinum. Example for this one is the Antirrhinum majus. Now I will explain. The second example is the starch synthesis in the pea plants. So two examples are there in the NCERT textbook. Now I will explain. This one is the what is incomplete dominancy. It is not following the rules of the incomplete dominancy. Codominancy is not following the laws of the Mendel law of dominancy. It is these two are exceptional to the Mendel law of dominancy. So these are exceptional. So only this law only following the Mendel law of dominancy. But incomplete dominancy, codominancy are the exception. That means see I am explaining to you Antirrhinum majus, snapdragon. So when red flowers are capital R, small r, white flowers. When we are crossing this one only, Antirrhinum majus, dog flowers. So example 1. Red flowers when cross the white flowers, and then F1 is producing the F1 this one. This flower name is pink nana. Pink. Because red flower is actually as per the law of dominancy, here F1 should produce the red flower, but here red flower is not producing, pink is producing. That means incomplete dominancy means, now I am telling the definition. F1 hybrid is producing F1 offspring or hybrid. F1 offspring is producing a new character other than the parents. It is not there in the parents, because one parent is red, one parent is white, but children is or maybe a progeny is pink in character. So this one is the incomplete. It's not complete dominance, incomplete dominancy. Next one is go for the second example. So starch synthesis in pea plants. So how it is that now you can take the capital B, small b. What is the character of the parental character? Round seeded, more starch. Round seeded, more starch, and here small b he crossed. Wrinkled seeded, less starch. He crossed the less starch. And here this one parents, and now this one is the gametes. And when he crossing this one, and here as per the law of dominancy, as per the Mendel law of dominancy, here dominant character, what is the dominant character? More starch. it has to produce the capital B, okay, but what character it should be showing as per the law of dominancy? Round seed and more starch character it should be produced, but here this character is intermediate starch seeds, round and intermediate. Middle amount of the starch we can find in the F1 progeny. That means it is showing the incomplete dominancy. Next, come to the codominancy. See this one, codominancy. What is the definition about the codominancy? Definition is F1 showing the both parental characters. Both parental characters. See example for this one, AB comma blood group AB comma. Sir, example, if father is A blood group, mother is B blood group, there is a chance will getting to the children is getting the AB blood group. This only called as the codominancy. You got it? So this one is the father, this one is the mother. What I said here, example, F1 showing this one, F1 offspring, F1 showing the both parental characters. See here, father is A blood group, mother is B blood group. There is a chance to getting into the baby is getting the AB blood group. That means this one is almost equal to this one, and almost according to definition only it is there, AB. Okay, this one is called as the codominancy. That's all, students.